Today, I'm going to trade with just $50 and attempt a 4-step compounding challenge. To manage my capital more effectively, I'm transferring the rest of my funds into my pocket option safe where they can earn daily interest while remaining protected from unnecessary trading risks. This is one of my favorite pocket option feature because it helps traders separate their trading balance from their saving balance and generate passive returns on unused funds. Alright traders, we are currently looking at USD ARS currency pair and this is a very clean breakout area. If I have to place a horizontal level, you can clearly see why this setup stands out. The market has already broken below the level and now attempting to retest it. This is exactly the type of price action I like to see before entering a trade. Remember, I'm not going to take direct put entry immediately after the breakout. Instead, I wait patiently for the retracement and touch the resistance level marked by the green line. Once the market reaches that area, I will execute my put entry as my marginal safety entry. As the candle approaches our resistance level, I'm patiently waiting for the right moment to execute my put entry. And just like that, I am taking my put entry right here. I'm taking a marginal safety entry because I'm entering at a key resistance area and rather than chasing a move. This approach provides an extra layer of safety and improves the overall probability of this setup. You can clearly see why I'm saying that this particular line is a very strong resistance because market has reversed multiple times from the same level and I have adjusted my resistance line so that it can cover the maximum touches, which is why I'm telling that this particular line is the strongest resistance level and I am predicted that the market is going to go down. And just like that, look at that, this is a beautiful winning trade and a beautiful setup and my trade is going exactly in my favor. With this trade, I will win my first trade of the day, and after this candle, I'm going one more put entry because the candle which is recently formed is a very strong red candle, a bearish candle, which has come exactly from our resistance level. So market has equal tendency to go down. If I have to place a horizontal level, the next reversal point is somewhere around here, and market the next candle and the gap between the next candle and our support is very far, and you can adjust your support level like so that you can cover the maximum touches like this. Okay, now because of this I have taken back to back another put entry after that red bearish candle, and this second trade is also a winning trade. Okay, after this my second step compounding will be completed and this trade is going exactly in my favor. You can clearly see that this particular red candle is getting rejection from the same level which I have drawn. That means the level is pretty strong because if you see the back history of the candle, what the candles are doing, market has reversed multiple times from the same level, which is why I'm not going to take another put entry because market has equal tendency to print one more green candle before next move down. Rather, I will look for high probability trade setup for my third step compounding. So let's hunt for that perfect setup. All right, traders, I can see one clear setup going on right here in the currency pair USD MXN. We have got a lonely candle on the left hand side. If you see, there's a buyer's loop going on, and in between that buyer's loop there is a red inverted hammer. So whenever you see this lonely candle in a buyer's loop, you can take a call entry because the overall trend of the market currently is bullish, and you see there's a strong rejection going on with the current candle. Side by side you can also see the candlestick reaction as well. Now I'm planning to take a call entry, but I'm not getting any marginal safety entry, which is why I've directly taken a call entry, even though my entry is a little bit late, but I'm assuming that this trade should be a winning trade and this candle should close as a green candle. Coming back to the lonely candle area, this is what I mean by lonely candle. You see, market has printed a lot of green candle, and in between that green candle we can see a inverted red hammer. Whenever you see this kind of setup, this is a lonely candle, and a lonely candle area is often expected to be a strong support or a resistance level. So I have marked this entire area as a zone, and the last red candle gave me a strong rejection from the lonely candle area, which is why I took a call entry for upside direction, and also the overall trend of the market right now is bullish. Market is making higher high. Okay, this is the reason why I've taken a call entry, and with this my third step compounding is completed. I have got one more trade left for my fourth step compounding, and I will look for that perfect setup. There is no room for mistake, so I need a perfect setup. Let's hunt for that perfect trade opportunity. All right, traders, we are here in a currency pair which looks complete downtrend, but I can see a breakout is about to happen. So here there is a reversal point. Market has already reversed once, but now after the reversal, market did not go down. In fact, it has made a green healthy candle in the middle of the loop. Now I am assuming that a breakout is about to happen. So whenever you see a green candle without lower wick but only upper wick, this is a high potential of bullish pressure. And also, if you see on the left hand side, we have got a big healthy abnormal green candle. And whenever you see a big healthy abnormal green candle, you can draw a line right around the 50% area of the green candle, and that will act as a very strong support. Now you see the last red candle was just a retracement candle, and after that immediately we got a healthy green candle without any tail. That means market is now about to break out, since the resistance level is already tested and market is about to break out, which is why I've taken a call entry, and this should be a winning trade as well. Look at that, just as I anticipated. Even in last moment, this candle has turned into a green one, and my trade is a direct win. With this, my fourth step compounding is completed. With just $50, I have grown my capital to $678 with just 4 trades. You can copy my trades by creating a pocket option account using my link. With that being said, I will come back with another video. Until then, keep learning and happy trading.